Hi everybody, my name is Andry and I'm a beginner level full stack developer. Now we have a task here. We have an array of objects you can see here, like it has bunch of elements which are basically objects, and these objects have some properties like name and age. First name is Johan and second age is 12, and the another element name Steve and age 5 and so on. Now what do I want is I want to reorder this array in the increasing order of age, right? Uh, like if I have an array, let's say let array 2 is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, 1, comma 6, comma 3, comma 10, 2. Let's say this is a numeric array and I want to sort this, and it will be easy. But what if I got a problem to solve, like sort this type of array based on a particular object property? Over here it is age. So to do that, yes, the last result will be something like this, like name Steve, age 5, and name Angel, age 10. You can see the age are in the increasing order. So basically I want to do this. How can I do that? Okay, let's start by doing for loop. Uh, Now let's say I am going to start with for loop first. Uh, I'm gonna take it first element is I, and now what do I want basically is when I want to catch this first element, I want to compare this element's age with the next remaining, and if I found any element from them is greater than this, then I will swap them. Okay, so this is how it is going to. For example, if first it is going to this element and its age is 12, now it starts checking from the next element, like from age, name Steve and age. It sees like age, the next element's age is 5 and this is 12. So this is not in the right order. I should swap it. Now this element should be here and the previously this element should be over here. Okay, so we are basically making a loop inside another loop, right? Let's start do that. Now we are saying for loop. Okay, now here I am putting the array length basically to the before the last element of length. Then let's say let's put a condition if very first element I dot age is greater than array jth element dot age, where j is basically the next element. Okay, so wait. Here j is not equal to 0. J is going to be basically I plus 1, right? Right. If I starts from 0, then j must start from 1. Okay, got it. Right. Now, if the age is greater than the second age, then I should swap. But before swap, let me hold the middle element. Let's say a equal to array I. Okay, then now I can swap element easily because I have stored the another array element in a third variable. So array I is going to be array dot j. Now array j is going to be something odd. Right, so here it is. Now to test this, let's log the statement. I'm going to log the statement, log the array previously, and another same thing I'll do in the last. Let's see, does it work or not? No. By the way, I have installed nodejs in my computer to run the JavaScript code. If you didn't have installed it, you can simply go nodejs some org something. Sorry, node.js. You can download it over here. Okay, great. Now I have to write load and the JavaScript file or was sort array, sort array. Okay, here it is. Let's go. What happened? 78. Well, here you can see the first array is represents this array, and here it's printing basically the previous array types like John, age, the initial array, and after this sorting, this is the 5, 10, 12. Got it? Now you can we can do that, but if we try to do the same thing using for loop, sorry, map method, let's say array dot map method, array dot map. There is a problem, of course. Now, as you know, array map takes a function. Inside that function, we take element, okay, and on that index, right, and it returns something. Now here I want to make another for loop because you can see we are actually taking two for loops. So here we are also going to make for loops here. Now, now here I will do index plus one, right? And here I will check if element dot age is greater than array dot I dot age. Age here array dot I basically represent the next element. Then what I am going to do is I will swap it array dot I. So obviously array dot index I'm going to change because the particular element found greater than, so swap it to array dot I. Okay, now the array I element would be array I element would be, yes, it's element, right? Now you will see that the element are basically sorted, but except one element. Okay, so let's see that. Let's give me out the terminal and now run nodejs. Here it is. See. Now the first array was this, which was previously as it was. Now when we sorted it, you can see it's like 10, 12, 12, 16. Now these two elements have got repeated. Now why this actually happens? Because in a map method you cannot edit or manipulate the element that you are currently on. Let's say when the map starts, it starts with the first element. Now you cannot manipulate the first element. You can manipulate the next element after it or the previous element after it, but you cannot manipulate the exact same element in map method. So by this way, it will give it will sort, but it will not give the perfect result, and for that reason we will use basically for loop inside for loop. I hope you understood. That's it. Let's go ahead and run it. Here it is. 12, 5, 16, 24, 10, and now 5, 10, 20. That's it. Okay. So this is the smallest one concept I would like to share with you. That's all. And have fun with JavaScripts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.